The French fries machine is easy to operate and has high output. It can be sliced, cut into wave slices, sliced into strips, shredded separately. The thickness and thickness can be adjusted freely, and the cut products are smooth and even without breakage. Selection of raw materials: choose fresh potatoes with high starch content and require pure variety, shallow bud eyes, regular shapes, no mildew and rot, no germination and insect damage. Cleaning: use a roller cage cleaning machine to remove the mixed stones and other sundries in the raw materials. Peeling: the peeling method is mechanical friction and the peeling time depends on the freshness of the raw materials, generally 3 to 8 minutes. Trimming: remove buds, mildew and other parts that are not edible on the raw materials. Slicing: feed the raw materials into the slicer at one time. The feeding speed should be uniform and the slice thickness should be between 1 to 2 millimeters. Rinse: the sliced potato chips need to be rinsed in water to avoid oxidative browning of the potato chips exposed to the air, and at the same time to wash off the free starch on the surface to prevent the starch from being incorporated into the fryer and affecting the service life of the frying oil. Color protection: the color protection temperature is controlled between 80 to 100 degrees. To achieve the activity of destroying mildew, the blanching time is 1 to 2 minutes. Spread the stacked materials in the powder machine and remove the surface moisture so as not to increase the frying time and increase the oil content of the finished product. Frying: this equipment is an advanced frying equipment. Due to the different proportions of water and oil, the water is below and the oil is heated on the upper layer to fry potato chips and French fries. The resulting residues are directly deposited in the water, and the oil does not emit black smoke, which greatly prolongs the service life of the oil and greatly reduces the cost. Oil temperature control, thus ensuring the quality and taste of potato chips and fries. After the work is completed, the water is released, and the residue will flow out with the water. The flakes are evenly fed into the fryer. The oil temperature is controlled between 180 to 200 degrees. The material must pass through the fryer within 10 minutes, and the frying oil is mostly palm oil, which has good stability compared with other edible oils. It has the characteristics of long service life and good crisping performance, especially suitable for frying oil. De-oiling: de-oiling the freshly fried potato chips and French fries overcomes the defects of high oil content and greasy mark and improves the taste of potato chips and French fries. Seasoning: the drum-type seasoning machine is made of stainless steel. Potato chips and fries are turned in the rotation of the drum. Seasoning is added by sprinkling or spraying, and the seasoning is even and not broken. Packaging: when packaging, nitrogen is injected into the packaging bag, which can effectively prevent potato chips from breaking and prolong the shelf life. Inflation, packaging, and coating are completed at one time. Contact us. Tell us your needs, for example, making food picture, size. Output: we will introduce you to us food machinery and detail.